101.
Afternoon, sir. My name's Darian Jarrott. I'm with New Mexico State Police. The reason for the stop is your window tint's a little too dark.
Dark?
Yeah. Do you mind if I open the door? Or if you want to roll down the window more.
It's dark?
Yeah. I noticed you got temp tags. You got a registration for the vehicle?
Yes, sir.
I'll need registration and your driver's license as well. Alright, do you have insurance for the vehicle? Yeah, where is it? It's with the wallet. Do me a favor, come with me to my vehicle. That way I can run your name and date of birth, and then that way I can get my return, okay? Go ahead. Shut the vehicle off. If you want, it's up to you.
You can run my name if you want.
Well, I know.
Well, she's on the phone, actually. Babe, can you send me a photo of my license if you find my wallet?
That'll work. Grab the phone and come with me to my vehicle so I can get the return, and then I can make sure that everything's good.
That's
okay. What was your name?
Omar Cueva.
Omar Cueva?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Cueva.
O-M-A-R-C-E-V.
Okay. Okay. While she's sending the pic, let's go so that I can run my checks on you. Huh? Yeah, so I can run my checks and I can talk to you a little bit while I'm running my checks, and then you'll show me the picture right away because I got paperwork I gotta do, you know? Hey, real quick. You have a firearm on you? Yeah. No, I see it. Waste. Do me a favor. You mind if I take it off you for my safety? Alright, hold on. Alright, let's go to my vehicle, okay? Come on. Oh, shit!
So come 451, status check on traffic.
There he goes! Fuck yeah! Watch out! Hey, get the fuck back!
Dude! He straight shot at that car!
Yeah,